Hi, welcome to my channel. In our previous episodes, we've learned what we can get if we add a stroke on E. Let's review it first. 1、2、丁、十、七、场。2、丁、十、七、场。Today, let's learn what we can get if we add a stroke on 2. 2. We can add this. This is gun. In English, it means do. Just do it. 干吧。Just do it. 干。And we can get 于 means at, in, about. For example, the road ends at Beijing. "这条路止于北京。于 The third one. 工 means work or skill. For example, 工人 worker or 工厂 厂 factory. 工工人工厂 And the first one, this is 3 means 3. 3 years ago, 3年前。3年前。3 years ago, 3年前。And we can get 土土 means soil. The child of the soil means 乡下的土孩子。土。2 add a stroke 干 just do it 干吧。add a stroke 于 means at, in, or about. The road ends at Beijing. 工 work. Skill 工人工厂。And 3 years ago 3年前。土 child of the soil. 乡下的土孩子。If you like my channel, please subscribe, comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.